Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download and install Xampp local server in your computer. If you want to run PHP code in your computer, then you need a local server. So today I will show you how to download and install Xampp local server in your computer. So first of all, you have to go to a browser, then write down Xampp download, or I will give you download link on my video description box. Then click on download Xampp, this website. Here you can see 3 files. I'm downloading the latest one. Just click on download 64-bit and it will take a short loading. Here you can see it is downloading, and if it does not download, then click on here, and here you can see Xampp installer.exe has been downloaded. Now open it, then click on yes. Now click on next, then click on next. Here you can see it is telling us to select a folder. So by default folder is C drive. From here you can change the folder. Now you have to choose a folder where you want to install the Xampp server. So you can keep it in any folder, then select a folder. I want to keep it in D drive. I want to install in this folder Xampp server. Now I will click on OK. Click on next, then click on next, then click on next, and it will take a short loading. Then the installation will be completed. Here we can see our installing has been completed. Now click on finish. So our Xampp server has been installed successfully. Here we can see our Xampp server is started. Now you have to store your PHP project in Xampp folder. I have installed Xampp server in this folder. Now you have to go to htdocs. So now you have to store all of your PHP project in this htdocs subfolder of Xampp server. Okay. Now if you want to run your PHP code, you can easily do it. To run your PHP code on web browser, you have to start this Apache. Here you can see allow, then click on allow. Now you have to write down a PHP code. Suppose I'm taking a new file, test.php. Now you have to choose a folder. So of course keep your PHP file, PHP project in Xampp folder. So I have installed the Xampp server in this folder. Then go to htdocs. Okay, all of your PHP file and PHP project will be in this htdocs subfolder. Then click on create. Now I'll write down the PHP code. So we have written hello world. Now we want to run it in web browser. So go to a web browser. Of course, make sure that Xampp server Apache is started. Then write down local host. Then slash, write down your PHP file name. Suppose I'm writing down test.php. Now click here. Here you can see it is displaying the hello world. It means that our PHP code is running in web browser. Of course, you have to start the Apache. If you stop Apache and reload the page, now you can see it is not working. So of course, open the Xampp server, then click on Apache, then reload the page, then it will work. So of course, open the Xampp server and start the Apache, then your PHP project or PHP file will work. So this is how we can easily download and install Xampp server in your computer. This is very simple. You can try it.